Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be upgrading my headlights in my Toyota Tacoma. So with my truck, it came with halogen bulbs. So I upgraded to LED and they started flickering. So from there I just went to hyper white halogen bulbs. All this is explained in Tacoma Lighting Upgrades 1 and 2. I'll go ahead and leave the link in the description. And the only problem with these hyper white halogen bulbs is they do give you more light, but they tend not to last as long. My old Corolla that had daytime running lights, I was honestly replacing light bulbs every year. So today I have this set of Oxilam LED lights. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description. And if you put in code Daniel's Car Talk channel, you'll get an additional 20% off. Let's go ahead and open it up, see what we got. Okay, comes with this nice set of gloves. And then comes with the product manual. And then here are the bulbs right here. Look pretty good. And then with these guys, these are the list of bulbs they make. And the manual gives you some information on the bulbs as well as the installation steps. They also have a built-in fan too to keep the bulbs cool, which is pretty nice. My other set of LED bulbs didn't have that. Might be part of the reason they were messing up. So, before installing, go ahead and get your gloves on that they provided. Then, it's pretty much just plug and play. You plug the light bulb in, then just twist it in place, like so. And here we go for a little comparison. I have the LED bulb on the driver's side and a halogen bulb on the passenger side. Driver's side definitely looks great. So we'll go ahead and put the other light bulb in on the passenger side, and we should be good to go. Now let's check with the shop foreman. What do you think, Roxy? Doesn't that look good? Yes, Roxy, I will do just that. And then the other nice thing is, if you listen closely, you can actually hear the fan on the LED bulb running. Driver's side, same thing. Go ahead and go in, twist the bulb out. Here it is. Old bulb comes out just by pushing this little tab, like so. Then, same thing, plug it in. Then just twist it in place like we did with the other one. I went ahead and did that off camera because there's not much working room back here. This will definitely make driving at night a lot nicer. We'll be able to see things on the road better and catch things earlier before they become a hazard. Like last winter when I hit the deer. That was fun. So back when me and my wife were dating, I was on my way to Stanislaus County. I was coming from Sacramento. I thought, you know what? I'm going to avoid the mess on 99. I'm going to avoid the mess on I-5. And I'm going to take the back way down there. Well, there were a group of deer crossing the road. I was able to slow down and let most of them pass, but then I started going and there was one that was still coming that I didn't see. It shot out in front of me before I could react and I ended up hitting it. So that was fun. Nice brand new truck and I already hit a deer. It's the reason I got this light bar. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't want to blind Roxy, but link to those videos will be in the description too. The other nice thing about LED lights, aside from making the truck look more upgraded, they use less electricity and just run more efficiently. But now let's see some shots at night. All right, so here we are, kind of in the middle of nowhere. These are just my headlights. Then my high beams gives a little extra light. Then go ahead and shut those off. Turn the light bar on. Looks pretty good. But that is the one nice thing about LED bulbs. They give off better light, give you a better sense of safety. Now, always use safety and common sense no matter what when you drive, but they are nice, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere and You can see things before they become a hazard. Now some before and after. Here I am approaching a stop sign. These are the hyper wide halogen bulbs. These are the LED bulbs. Here I am behind a store. These are the hyper wide halogens. Here are the LEDs. My garage door, hyper wide halogens, LEDs. My garage door outside the truck, hyper wide halogens, LEDs. Definitely a noticeable difference. I definitely give these lights a solid 5 stars. Also, you're invited to come check out my other channel, Jesus Bible Study. Link to this week's video will be in the description as well. And you guys be safe out there. I will see you next week. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will see you guys next week.